Welcome back to the Car Collective, the place where we dive deep into the coolest, rarest and most iconic cars from both the past and present. Today we're taking a look at something truly special, the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage Pickup. This new release from Chevy isn't just a throwback to the past, it's a fusion of modern engineering and the timeless charm of classic Americana. So let's take a closer look at what makes this truck a must-see for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage Pickup is its striking appearance. Chevy has done an incredible job blending the rugged charm of a vintage pickup with sleek contemporary design elements. The body shape? Absolutely classic. The truck keeps the signature wide front grille, round headlights, and strong boxy lines that made the Chevrolet pickups of the 50s and 60s so iconic. But there's a modern twist to it with more aggressive wheel arches, slimmer headlights, and a polished exterior that gives it a more refined presence on the road. Now let's talk about the performance. Underneath the hood, the 2025 Vintage Pickup doesn't just look the part, it performs like a modern marvel. Powered by a turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric hybrid system, this truck offers an excellent balance between power and efficiency. Whether you're looking for that traditional raw power or want to conserve fuel, this truck can do both. The electric hybrid option also gives you that extra torque, especially when you need it, like towing or off-roading, while keeping the truck environmentally friendly for the modern world. Inside, Chevrolet has kept the vintage vibes going, but with a comfort level that's right at home in 2025. The cabin is luxurious, with leather upholstery, polished wood accents, and retro-inspired dials. But don't be fooled, it's not all nostalgia. The tech inside is state-of-the-art. A 12-inch digital touchscreen dominates the center console, offering everything from navigation to entertainment, and even integrated apps for managing the truck's performance. The sound system is top-notch, providing a crisp, clear sound whether you're cruising down a highway or parked in a quiet spot. Chevy hasn't just thought about style and power, they've also considered the drive. The suspension system on the 2025 Vintage Pickup has been fully re-engineered for the ultimate comfort and control, whether you're on smooth city streets or navigating rugged terrain. And with its off-road capabilities, this truck is ready for adventure, making it a perfect choice for weekend explorers or those who need a reliable workhorse. What's even more impressive is the integration of modern safety features without sacrificing the vintage experience. With a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, you get the best of both worlds. The classic look with the latest in safety technology. So if you're looking for a truck that's got the looks, the performance, and the modern conveniences all wrapped up in a nostalgic package, the 2025 Chevrolet Vintage Pickup is definitely worth considering. It's a perfect example of how manufacturers can respect the past while embracing the future, and it's certainly a collector's dream. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Collective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting update about the best cars on the road. Until next time, keep those engines running.